And so now we can go to interactive mode to try to do some plotting. So to import Matplotlib, what we really want is the plotting module. So it's matplotlib.pyplot. But we don't want to have to type matplotlib.pyplot the whole time. So usually I call it PLT for plot. And so it will import matplotlib.pyplot and let us plot. And so now if we just want to plot, let's say we just make a list of x values, a list of y values, okay, and so I can give it the plot function from inside the plot, the thing we imported, okay, and so I just want to say x comma y. Okay, and so it made this object, and now if we want to see it, we actually have to give it the plot.show function. And it gives us our beautiful plot. Okay, we can also plot using Numpy objects. Okay, and so we also want to import Numpy. I don't like typing Numpy the whole time, so, and you'll see this on the internet a lot, is import Numpy as NP. Okay, and so now we can make our Numpy objects. And I'm just going to make them based on the list x and y. So I'm going to make an array A, an array B. Okay, and so now if we see what A is, it's just an array that's the same thing as x. X is a list, A is an array. Okay, and so now we can plot A versus B. Show that plot. And so it gives us the same exact plot. Okay, so we can plot either lists or Numpy objects. Okay, and so the thing that's the difference here with Numpy is that Numpy is storing arrays like MATLAB stores arrays. Okay, when we have lists, they're not quite the same things as arrays. So let's just see for an example. If I do x plus y, okay, what do you expect to happen? Okay, and so what happens is it actually concatenates those two lists together into one list. Now if I do A plus B, right, I think that's more what we actually wanted, is we wanted to add those two arrays together. Okay, and so that's why we would use Numpy versus Matplotlib.